We have here the Ipsy December 2019 bag. I'm going to be reviewing the products that I got. I'll be doing swatches though, so no worries. So this is the bag. Is a beautiful like silver foil, it looks like, very nice. The inside is just black. I'm really glad they did silver. I love silver more than gold. The theme says shine on, sparkle, shimmer, and shine. First item we have here is from Tarte. I was really excited to see that. I haven't received Tarte in a while in the Ipsy bag, and this is the Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. I do have this already, but this is a mini size. Love mini sizes. You guys know I'm obsessed with that. So this is what it looks like, and this is a 0.035 ounce. It is cruelty free and vegan. So again, it's the Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay. It says it's waterproof and it has a shelf life of 12 months. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't look too amazing here, but it is. This is what it looks like. Nice packaging here. What it looks like is really nice. Nothing that's gonna be like, oh my god, that's so dark, or it makes you look dirty or anything. It's just really pretty. The next thing I got is something from Space Case Cosmetics. I have received something before, but this is a blush. So if we look here, again, we have the Tarte Amazonian Clay, just to show you there. Space Case Cosmetics, and this is a blush. And it's not me, it's my sign. Blush. This is the packaging. Again, I've mentioned it before. This looks a lot like ColourPop's packaging. This is what the blush looks like. And we'll go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, that feels creamy. I'm telling you, I feel like this is the ColourPop formula. Very pretty. I feel like it's a cream to powder. Look at that color. If you're looking for a just came in from the cold flush, I do feel like that's the color it's giving. Or a major blush moment. This pigment-packed orchid pink blush delivers on both colors and stain power. The pillowy soft texture blends so smoothly. Plus, all of this brand's products are vegan and cruelty-free. If they would have sent me a highlighter too, I would have been very happy. Next, I think this is my favorite item, is this here. So you're like, what is this? Okay, this is a beautiful packaging, super luxurious, complex culture all over highlight powder blush. Producing complex culture. So if this is the first time they're coming out with this, they're doing a pretty good presentation. So it says, life's complicated. Your beauty routine shouldn't be. We're making things easier, one eco-friendly product at a time, starting with this brush. Wow, and can I show you the brush? Look at this beauty. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. So beautiful and sleek. It looks super high-end. And that is so soft. I'm so impressed with this. I would love for all my brushes to look like this. It's out of this world. And the way they just sent this, I just love gray, silver. If it was gold, I don't know how I would feel. But it's just like everything that I would love. And it's super... I was going to say classy. I don't know if a brush can be classy, but you know what I mean. It just looks super luxe, and wow, that would look so nice in your collection. Send me something here, and here it says Cake Beauty Milkmaid Indulgent Body Milk Cream. Ooh, that sounds amazing. So it says your skin deserves some extra love in the wintertime. And this cruelty-free, all-natural body cream from Cake Beauty is infused with 3 all-star moisturizers. Vitamin E, shea butter, and sweet almond oil give you your softest skin ever. But that's not all. This has a sweet dessert-like scent that's totally addictive. So the packaging is very pretty. I love when they send me creams. I usually love them. Totally to die for indulgent body cream. Oat milk. Candied cream, seriously beautifying. This is a 1 ounce. So it's created in Canada. It is sealed, so let's go ahead and open it up to see how it looks, the consistency. So this is how it came out, super thick. It does smell nice, so that's me trying to blend it. As you see, it's super thick. I'm gonna have to really work that in, but I can see like you would love this for like really dry areas, maybe like knees, elbows, feet, hands. It's just wow, you can tell it's super moisturizing, and I like the scent. It's not so amazing like in my other Ipsy bags. I forgot what it was called. That one smelled like coconut and just the beach. I'll list my other Ipsy unbagging so you can see which one I'm talking about. I just forgot the name, but I've received it like twice, one hand cream and one for the body, and I'm obsessed with that scent. But this one smells nice too. I just don't die for the scent. And I got this, which is the Kensie Free Spirit Eau de Parfum. I think this is like the second time they've sent me a perfume. If you don't know, I show you like my perfume collections. It's like the most popular videos on my channel in my profile that I love perfumes, and this is just the second time from my whole subscription that they've sent Kensie Free Spirit. This scent was born from style. Have you checked out Kensie's gorgeous clothes lately? So you'll definitely feel chic wearing it. At first you'll get a whiff of fruit, apple, and plum, and as it dries down you'll smell floral notes of violet and rose, followed by warm and cozy vanilla, sugar, and amber. I really thought it was going to be small when I saw what I was getting, but this seems like a really nice amount. Like, look at that. That's pretty good. And I did open it up because you can open it up and like refill this. I'm just doing this with one hand, so I'm sorry, it's really hard. But you can open it up and you can see, you can put something else in here once it's done, so I really like that. But this is a 0.3 ounce, so I did spray it. It does smell really nice. It doesn't smell too sweet or too floral. It's just like the perfect combination. Enjoy it. I've smelled a scent similar to this. I just can't remember which one it is, but I've never seen anything like from this brand or tried anything from this brand. I would say in order, my favorite was the brush. The second, I would say maybe the blush, because I love that formula, the creamy, and then like it turns to like a powder, but like super soft. It just like melts into your skin, just like the ColourPop. This is the same from Space Case, so I really like that formula. And I'm more of a peach girl, but this color is really nice actually. Then I would say I like minis, to have minis, so this Tarte Park Avenue Princess, I already know I like it, so that will be my third option. This here, the perfume, and then the cream, just because I didn't dive for the scent like that. Not that I dislike it, but it's okay. And I just love the thickness of it. Beautiful to like put in your purse, and the packaging I do love. That soft pink with the white. Oh, it just looks beautiful and so delicate. I don't know, it just looks really nice. And I'll definitely be using this. Like when I go to sleep, put some, and yeah, wake up feeling super soft. Know what you got this month. You get anything that I received this month. So forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.